Alright, hello everyone. Let's get started. The goal for today it would be we are installing .NET 6 Core on Ubuntu 22.04. Alright, before getting ahead, let's discuss a few things. This scenario assumes that it's a fresh install. You haven't installed anything before, and you want to install a brand new fresh .NET 6 packages on the machine. I don't recommend installing using Snap or scripting. Instead, the recommended way would be to install it using the Microsoft packages to avoid the PMC conflicts. A bunch of notes here. If you see one of them, would be if you install the SDK, the associated runtime is automatically installed. And then a bunch of the two other items here in the notes. Let's jump onto the coding right away. As you can see that I'll go ahead and find out first what version of Ubuntu I'm using. Okay, so you can see it does says 22.04. Next step would be adding the trusted keys in it. Alright, click on enter. Alright, good to go. Now we'll go ahead and add the packages repository. I'll just run a clear on this one. Right click and paste the command. Click on enter. Enter your password. Alright, this is good to go. Now we have to do one thing here is we have to configure the PMC package as a priority. So what we'll go ahead and do is we have to create this file first. It's a preference file. Okay, the file will be created. Now we'll open this file using the gedit command. Alright, right click on this one, paste it. Okay, it's going to open up the editor. Looks good. Now we'll go ahead and put this content in it. So what essentially this content is telling the installation process to prioritize the Microsoft packages instead of the Jammy feeds. So I'll go ahead and save it, but we do have to make sure that this file is updated. So I'll go ahead and save it, close it, but I do have to go back and kind of check it again to make sure that I'm able to see this file. I'll go into the public. Other location. It will be inside etc apt, and then inside here is the preference file. I'll open it with the editor. I can see that whatever I added was added successfully. I'll go ahead and close it. Close this one also. Now this looks good. Let's go ahead and clear the command prompt. Moving on to next, I'll go ahead and run this update command. Alright, it's running. Once it's complete, we'll finally go ahead and install the .NET 6 package. Installation of this .NET takes a while. Okay, it's completed. Now I'll run this command to install .NET 6. Right click on this one, paste. So you have, depending on your internet speed, this will take a while. Alright, so I'll go ahead and click on enter. It's working. Alright, looks like it's completed right now. I'll go ahead and check if .NET is installed. .NET-info, this is a command. Alright, here you go. If I scroll up, I'll see that this is the .NET version 6.0 installed. Also runtime environment is also there. Now we'll just create a test app. It would be a simple console application. We'll make sure that we are able to create this application in .NET Core. What I'll do is here you can see .NET New and is the command to create. Console is the type of application, and then here's the application name that I put in at. Okay, I'll click on enter. You can see it's running, creating the project. I'll just do an ls. Here you can see that the hello world application, I'll cd into the hello world, ls on this one. Now to run this application, I'll go ahead and say .NET run. Okay, this application is running. You'll see the output briefly. Alright, here you go. So we have successfully configured the .NET 6 installation on this machine, and as well as we also wrote a simple test application. Now link to the article will be in the comments, and that's it for today. Thanks.